Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today, a vendor sent me a very thoughtful product. It's a free product. It's a paid review. So let's get right to it, shall we? This is a fabric repair kit. Comes in different colors, different styles. I got a gray one. Gray goes with a lot of things. So I have a curtain, an old curtain that we use in our RV, and it just goes across it. So it didn't really have to match exactly, but we had a tear in it. So I'm going to fix that tear and show you how this works. Super easy, very simple procedure. You know, I mean, a lot of times you have to iron this or anything else like that, but all you have to do is just cut this to size and put it on there and you're good to go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn my camera down over to here where my rip is, a tear, and this fabric right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this over and put the patch on the back side. So we're going to try to get that tear together as close as we can, together like that. And then I'm just going to simply measure that, go here to here. And then I'm going to cut a piece off, and we're just going to paste that right on there. So I've cut my patch. So all we have to do is peel the backing off of this. Peel the backing off. Again, make sure that we're nice and smooth and together. Smooth it very nicely. Get all the sides down. Get that glue in there bonded really well. And now, I'll flip this over. And I'm nice and patched. I love that. No more rip. It's beautiful. I'll just cut these little seams off. There we go. So if you're looking to patch something, and they come in multiple colors. See, I could have put that right on here too. And maybe I should have. But it's linen repair tape. Go out and get your linen repair tape today.